Welcome to the Okanagan Science Center Online, a safe source for science, which you can do in your own home. Now we're talking here about forces and motions. One way to use a force to do more work is to use what we call a simple machine. There's a number of simple machines. We'll get to them all. But we're going to start with one that we're most familiar with, the lever. Now there's three types of levers. The most common is called first-class lever. To make it, we have a lever arm. Here we have a ruler, a fulcrum, ours is a pencil. We need a load, something to move. We'll use popsicle sticks, and a force. We'll use popsicle sticks for that too. The first thing we do is we set up our lever. I take the elastic and I put the fulcrum on with the elastic, otherwise it slides around and kind of messes everything up. A couple of popsicle sticks to lift it up, and then we'll try and balance it. Not right. Once we have it balanced, the thing we want to lift or move is the load. We'll put it right here at the end. Now the same distance from the fulcrum, we'll put our force. Our force is going to rely on gravity and a popsicle stick. Let's see where we have to put it. So with one popsicle stick, we're lifting one. But let's move the load closer to the fulcrum. Put it right there. One lifts it no problem. One can lift two. What about if we go here? So this here is 4 times the distance of that. We have 2, 3, and 4. So one can lift 4. So we're just changing the length of the lever arms. Now, this would work the other way too. We could simply put these here, see how many we could lift. Try this at home. Find yourself something to use as a lever arm, fulcrum, and some source of load and force. Find something that you can measure easily. I just use popsicle sticks because I had a box of them. Something like pennies might work. Now we see levers every day. We often forget about that. If we take scissors, that's a first-class lever. There's the fulcrum, the lever arm. And if you have a little pair of pliers, you have the same thing. Fulcrum is here, one lever arm quite long, another lever arm quite short. And thank you.